friends, I'm going to show you how I do my tater tots. And they're very easy to do. And mine I'm not gonna serve. I'm going to freeze mine. So I'm gonna show you that process too. But anyway, I'm just scrubbing my potatoes. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. Get them scrubbed up real good. And then we're gonna bake these. And when we bake these, you've got to be very careful because you don't want to over-bake them. You still want them a little on the firm side because we are going to use these for tater tots. So just give them a scrub. Even though you're going to peel them, you still scrub them up a little bit. I'll get a couple little eyes on it. Okay, so we got that part done. All right, now we're going to move over this way without making you seasick. And I'm going to show you, I just take, they're wet still, I just take a fork and I just pierce them a couple times on each side. That allows the steam to escape from them, and they cook nicely. My oven is set to 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake these. Oh, they'll probably bake 35 minutes because you don't want them, you know, like when you bake a regular baked potato, you don't want them done and mushy. You want them still firm on the inside because we're going to peel them and grate them. So all you want is your oven set to 400. You want to put these in there just loose for 35 to 40 minutes. So when they're done, we'll be back. Okay, friends, I am back. I have peeled 3 of the 4. I'm going to show you. They're really easy to peel, but they're still a little firm because I don't want mushy potatoes for making my tater tots. Now, when we get these mixed up, you will be able to either fry them or bake them. I am going to bake them because it's just kind of a healthier version. I'm making these for my grandbaby, so I'm going to bake them, pre-bake them, and then put them in the freezer. And that way I have them when they want some tater tots. And they love them. So, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let me wash my hands. And then I'll show you. We're going to grate these up and get them mixed up. And they're real easy. This is so easy to do. Okay. Oh no, I don't need that. Set that stuff aside. I'm just going to start grating these on the large side of your box. And they're real easy to grate up. They just take a little bit of time. That's all you do. Just grate them like so. Okay? I'm going to get the rest of them grated up and I'll be right back. And I'm back and I got all these grated up. Just scrape them up, put them in my bowl. My counter was nice and clean. Alright, so we got that there. Let's see. I'm going to start out with, this is real simple. Now you can add any spices you want to this. You can spice it up however you want. Me, I'm just simply going to use salt and pepper. But I'm going to start out with about we'll say 1.5 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to mix that all up really good. And I might need more. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to need at least another tablespoon. So, alright. Then I'm going to do my pepper and my salt. Okay? There, now I'm going to mix these up really good. That's all you need to add to them. And I'm going to bake these. They can get a little messy, but they sure are worth it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on my hands because this will make these really easy. And then they'll get coated with a little bit of oil as well. There, and they turn out really nice. That's all you do. Just kind of shape them with a little oil on your hands, and they'll make real nice tater tots. Easy to do. So there, you can see how I got them on there. I'm going to finish these up, and then I'll be back and show you my next step. And so these are all formed into my tots, and all I'm going to do is just drizzle just a little bit of oil on here. Not much, because I'm going to only bake these for about 20 minutes. And halfway through I'm going to flip them, so that'll be perfect. So here they go in the oven. When they are done, remember, halfway through at 10 minutes, flip them over. When they're done, I'll bring you back and show you. Okay friends, my tater tots are done. These are cooled off and ready to go into the freezer right on the tray, just the way they are. When they're frozen through, then I'm going to take and package them in Ziploc bags and put them back in the freezer. However, if you want to serve them right away, you can put them back in the oven. You can leave them in the oven for longer until they reach the color you want. And then you can take them out and serve them with some nice dipping sauce. They're wonderful. And they're a healthier version. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.